Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show how I built a simple console table using Mortise and Tenon joinery. The table features a wormy white oak top and the front has faux drawers with brass hardware. First I mark and cut the legs. I'll be using standard knoll posts available at any hardware store. I cut a couple inches off both the top and bottom to get the table to counter height. The bottom of the posts are square blocks, so to give them some character, I'll router the edges on a 45-degree angle. For my table build, I will be joining the legs to the table sides using Mortise and Tenon joinery. First, I'm going to cut the Mortise. If you don't know how to cut Mortise and Tenons, please check out my how-to video, which I will link at the end. Each post will have to be cut 4 times on the router table. Next I'll cut the tenons. For a more DIY approach, the same table could be built using pocket holes in the place of Mortise and Tenons. Finally, to finish the tenons up, I'll cut the shoulders and make sure they fit. Next, I will cut 2 equally spaced lines on the front board to make it look like 3 separate drawers. I'm using a track saw, but a circular saw and a straight edge will do. Pre-drill the holes for the hardware, center of the 3 squares. This will be the front of the table. Now it's finally assembly time. On each tenon I spread generously some wood glue, then on the edges I put Starbond CA glue. Inside the Mortise, I spray accelerator. This will hold the piece in place, allowing the wood glue to dry. The tenons already fit snug and hold well on their own. If your tenons are a tight fit like mine, just use clamps to pull them together. Again, I will cover the tenon completely in wood glue, except for a small part where I'll leave the CA glue, spray it with accelerator, and push it together. And finally, using just CA glue, I will attach cross supports to the legs. The supports will attach quickly, then I'll remove the clamps from the base and paint using my special mallet. When we build the top, I'm going to glue and clamp 3 white oak boards together. Later I'll trim the ends and flush router the edge. Interestingly, this wood has unique holes and patterns in it made from worms in the tree. The top also has a large knot in it that needs to be stabilized. I'm going to use black Starbond because it's ready to sand instantly. Obviously, Starbond is a big supporter of this channel, and they were kind enough to offer all my subscribers 15% off, so I'll put that link below. Before attaching the top, we'll attach the hardware to the front. This is what will make it look like there's 3 drawers. Using wood glue, some clamps, and finally pocket holes, attach the top. This table is sure to stand out Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.